There's a fairly large spider on my cat's head. Why are you okay with this?
What's wrong, buddy? What? What? Oh, hi, Diesel. Marcus, what is your major malfunction, buddy? What? You wondering where Dad is? No? Do you love me?
Ricky, you're not allowed in here. Go away. Go away. Look at this sad little man who's like, I know the good food's in there. I want the good food. He doesn't care about the babies. He just wants their food.
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah!
Good soup.
Hi, buddy. Ow! What you doing? Hmm?
But it's okay. We can use mine. Tomatoes resting on the vine. Pick one up. What did you find? Something
Where are you taking that? It's a bathtub plug. You just stole the other one from the actual bathtub. I had to buy a new one. What is your deal?
You, Griffey, did you do that? Who did? Hunter, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Hunter, come here.
So, I think Valentina's learned how to play tug of war. That's a big fish.
You've already had breakfast, buddy. You're not getting any more. You have to wait till dinner's. You have to wait till dinner. No more.